Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Anglo 10 sliding right side sidebar. So friends, before showing you, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Anglo 10 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, here on right side you can see one plus icon, and when I will click on it, then you will see right sidebar will come. Now I'm going to click on it. See friends, icon change to minus, sidebar gone, came, gone. So have you seen friends, Anglo 10 sliding sidebar is working fine. And friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside the video description and you can get the code easily. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or new requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside the video description. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.